The Insertion Loss Interactive Calculator helps you determine power losses in electrical systems and transmission lines. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: Calculate insertion loss from powers, Calculate output power from loss, Calculate input power from loss, Calculate loss from voltage ratio, Calculate cascaded loss for multiple stages, and Calculate transmission coefficient as a percentage. For this demo, I'm using Calculate insertion loss from powers. Next, we select units for pin unit and pout unit. You can choose milliwatts, dBm, or watts. I'll use milliwatts for both. Then we enter input power pin and output power pout. For our example, I'll enter 10 milliwatts for input power and 6.3 milliwatts for output power. After clicking Calculate, the results show us the insertion loss in decibels, the power ratio between input and output, the transmission coefficient as a percentage, and the linear ratio. These values tell us exactly how much signal we're losing through our system, which is critical for designing efficient transmission lines and networks. These calculations ensure that your signal maintains its strength from source to load without unexpected degradation. Finding the right balance is key to optimal performance in any network configuration. Ready to calculate your own? Find the link in the description below.